And take a bite. Say Happy April Fool's Day.
Happy April Fool's Day. It's mint.
It's toothpaste.
April Fools!
April Fool! Libby!
I don't like you.
Libby, no wait. You can have a whole bunch of real ones now. You can have some real ones. I'm sorry, it was a joke. What's the matter?
You're evil.
Oh, sweetheart, I'm sorry. Are you okay?
No.
What's the matter? What happened?
I want to play one.
You didn't like the mint flavors?
No.
Sorry. All is forgiven, Teddy?